Here is a monkey. It is the monkey is very hungry. Hungry means hungry means stomach కాదు. Hungry లడ్డు ఫుడ్ అవన్నీ ఎప్పుడు తీసుకుంటాం? లడ్డూని ఫుడ్ని ఎప్పుడు తీసుకుంటాం? వెన్ వీఆర్ హంగ్రీ మీన్స్ అంటే గుడ్. ఏంటి? ఆకలేసినప్పుడు. దట్ మీన్స్ మంకీ ఈజ్ వెరీ హంగ్రీ. మంకీ వాంట్ టు ఫీడ్ విచ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఆస్క్డ్. మంకీ ఏమంటుంది? ఫీడ్ చేయమంటుంది. నౌ ద ఫాతిమా యు డు. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్?
ఒకటి.
సే ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్.
ఒకటి.
ఇంగ్లీష్. One. Okay, pick up the number 1. You stop. Pick up. Where is 1? Okay. Take laddu. Very good. Monkey. Fatima gave the cherry laddu to monkey. Okay. Now the Karthik. Roll on the river. Good.
2.
2. Write down 2. Okay, very good. 2
balls.
How many balls? Only
2 balls.
2 balls. Very good.
ఒకటి, 2.
Count in English.
1, 2.
Very good. 1,
2.
2. Karthik gave 2 balls as a feed to monkey. Okay, now Asya, roll on the river. Which number came here?
3.
3. Very good. 3 na. Number 3 here.
One, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Very good. Your turn, Asya. Just move the ribbon. What did you get?
5.
5. Then you write down the 5 number. Number 5. First write also with chalk piece.
5.
Okay. 5. Then you take the balls, cherries. Monkey is very hungry. You feed the monkey. Okay.
5.
1. Very good. 2,
4, 5.
5. Very good. Now the monkey is very happy.
4.
Which number it is? 4. Very good.
One, 2.
Monkey wants 4 laddus. Yes?
1.
Okay. Take another one. Very
1,
good.
2, 3, 4.
4. Okay. Sharmila gave monkey 4 cherries. Yes? Okay, good. Now the monkey is very happy. Happy or not?
Happy.
Yeah.